This is a final video to fix the chat with RTX, Nvidia Installer Failed, and Mistral 7B INT Failed errors, so you can finally run your own private AI locally without any more crashes. Are you facing a frustrating situation where the installer chugs along for 30 gigabytes only to fail at the very end with a vague message about the Mistral engine failing to build? This problem occurs because the installer's Python environment cannot handle spaces in your Windows username path, or your antivirus is silently blocking the AI model from compiling on your GPU. Most tutorials on YouTube tell you to delete everything and re-download the massive installer over and over, which is a giant waste of time and bandwidth when your hardware is working perfectly fine. Here at Rexish, we know you want to start chatting with your documents right now without any technical headaches. I have a secret easy trick that involves creating a simple folder directly on your C drive with no spaces and editing a single line in the strings.def file to redirect the installation path manually. This method bypasses a space character bug and ensures Mistral engine builds perfectly every single time by giving the installer a clean path it can actually read. It is the fastest way to get past the installer loop and unlock the full power of your RTX graphics card without needing a PhD in coding. Rexish is all about giving you the simplest shortcuts to master these cutting-edge AI tools, so you can stay ahead of the curve. This fix works for the 30 series and 40 series cards, and it even handles the Llama 2 error simultaneously. Once you apply the small path change and run the setup as an administrator, your local chatbot will be up and running in minutes. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial showing you exactly which line to edit and how to set up your new installation directory, just leave a comment below.